Use questioning as a method to learn English tenses. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Question number 121. Which tense describes a past action that was in progress when another action interrupted it? A. We ate dinner when the storm started. B. We were eating dinner when the storm started. C. We have eaten dinner when the storm started. D. We eat dinner when the storm starts. Correct answer, we were eating dinner when the storm started. Past continuous tense. Question number 122. Which tense describes a future action that will be happening over a long period? A. This time next year, I will work on my new project. B. This time next year, I will be working on my new project. C. This time next year, I work on my new project. D. This time next year, I have worked on my new project. Correct answer, this time next year, I will be working on my new project. Future continuous tense. Question number 123. Which tense indicates a future action that will be completed before a specified time or another future event? A. By the time he turns 30, he will buy a house. B. By the time he turns 30, he will have bought a house. C. By the time he turns 30, he is buying a house. D. By the time he turns 30, he buys a house. Correct answer, by the time he turns 30, he will have bought a house. Future perfect tense. Question number 124. Which tense is used for an action that started in the past and is still going on, often with a focus on the duration? A. I know him for a long time. B. I have known him for a long time. C. I am knowing him for a long time. D. I have been knowing him for a long time. Correct answer, I have known him for a long time. Present perfect tense, 4 stative verbs. Question number 125. Which tense is used for giving instructions or commands? A. You close the door. B. Close the door. C. You are closing the door. D. You will close the door. Correct answer, close the door. Simple present tense, imperative. Question number 126. Which tense describes a planned future event that is considered very certain? A. The show begins at 7 p.m. B. The show is beginning at 7 p.m. C. The show will begin at 7 p.m. D. The show began at 7 p.m. Correct answer, the show begins at 7 p.m., simple present tense for scheduled events. Question number 127. Which tense describes actions that were happening at the same time in the past? A. He cooked while I cleaned. B. He was cooking while I was cleaning. C. He has cooked while I have cleaned. D. He cooks while I clean. Correct answer, he was cooking while I was cleaning. Past continuous tense. Question number 128. Which tense is used to talk about future facts or events that are beyond our control? A. I will be 30 next year. B. I am 30 next year. C. I am going to be 30 next year. D. I was 30 next year. Correct answer, I will be 30 next year. Simple future tense. Question number 129. Which tense is used to talk about unfinished actions from the past that have a connection to the present? A. I worked hard today. B. I have worked hard today. C. I am working hard today. D. I will work hard today. Correct answer, I have worked hard today. Present perfect tense. Question number 130. Which tense is used to describe a past habit that no longer occurs? A. I smoke. B. I smoked. C. I used to smoke. D. I am smoking. Correct answer, I used to smoke. Used to expresses past habit. Like, comment, share and subscribe.